How to get Meta AI on WhatsApp iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Meta AI on WhatsApp iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to keep in mind is that this feature is not currently available for everyone. So there can be regional issues due to which you cannot use Meta AI yet. So all you can do is wait for Meta AI to get launched in your region. So now what we do is first you can check if you already have Meta AI or not. Head over to your WhatsApp, head over to any text or groups that you want. Then simply type in your @ and type in Meta. If you get a pop-up saying Meta AI, you can use Meta. So if you don't get that, that means that you have not yet received the feature. So what you do is you simply head over to App Store. In the search bar, search for WhatsApp. So let's search for WhatsApp and simply update the WhatsApp app. Updating the WhatsApp app will allow you to get the latest feature, which will include the Meta AI. So simply update the app, and after you've updated the app, you can then head back to the Meta AI, I mean WhatsApp, to use Meta AI. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.